I have underpriced myself purposely because I wanted to get in that structure. I wanted to get in that market.
COVID has changed their life for the better. 90% of the Instagrammable artists who actually became famous happened because of COVID.
I owe everything to Instagram.
75 million views.
Yeah.
How did that happen?
75 million views, it's a number that changed my life.
What is that process which makes Sakshi Koilar Sakshi Koilar?
My husband has pushed me, छोड़ दे job, नहीं करनी, painting करना. ये line मेरे husband ने बहुत जल्दी सीख ली. That I had a waiting list of at least 50 to 60 people, and at that time I had 3 sessions. You know.
Wow.
Everything was like so goody. This is life. What's happening? This is everything I wanted.
How do you filter out an order that you want to take versus what you do not want to take?
Dude, this is the validation. Now keep it and keep it. If you want to, you don't want to keep it. I am ready to refund.
What's the difference between online life versus an offline life?
जो मेरा पेंट किया होता है वो इतना exactly होता है कि पीछे बैकग्राउंड का that people could just relate. अरे ये तो फोटो निकाल दी.
Art is about storytelling. Is there a specific company of the canvas or your paint that you specifically use?
Again, this is a myth.
What is the biggest misconception?
I would not say कि अगर आप ये वाला कलर्स लोगे तो आपकी पेंटिंग कुछ बहुत ही अच्छी बन जाएगी.
It's skill, yeah.
It's the skill. You better be ready कि you have to work like an ass.
To become an artist also you need finances. Artist 2 साल में नहीं बनता.
I can make any color in this world. You tell me. मतलब आप कुछ बोल दो साक्षी make that color. I can make that in 5 seconds. I still remember his line. He said, अरे बेटा अगर आप सब कुछ में बताने शुरू हो गया तो हमारा क्या होगा? मैंने वो नंगे पाँव सिर ढक के वो पूरी पेंटिंग बनाई है and I did it with that सरोवर water. वो जो इतना सा 5 inch by 7 inch का मैंने बनाया था ना, I sold it for a good amount.
Can we know the amount, please?
Yes. Okay. I don't mind sharing that. So it can be.
Welcome to another episode of The Heartful Show, where art meets the heart. I'm so excited to talk about today because today's guest is someone full of banter. She's a mother, she's an artist, of course, and she's, of course, an Instagram sensation with her reels hitting almost 75 million and so on and so forth. But we're not here to talk about that. Today we're here to talk about her life, her journey, her 2 cents on the art industry and how things actually work in her life. So, introducing Sakshi Koilar.
Hello.
She's a
Hi.
first timer, by the way, in the podcast.
Yes.
How do you feel? How do you feel?
I feel good. I had a good chat with you before
Yeah.
this also. I feel good about it. I am feeling good about it.
I hope so. I mean, you've done so many interviews in the past.
Yeah.
How does a podcast feel different?
You know, that's what I think this is going to be about the podcast. That interviews, it's very short, you know.
Yeah.
It just happens and then it goes. Podcast, I think it...
And they're all scripted, I feel.
Not exactly scripted, but then you're prepared कि आपको क्या बोलना है वहाँ पर. Podcast में you can't filter yourself.
Yeah.
There is no filter. अब 5-10 minutes के बाद वो filter automatically हट जाएगा.
हट ही जाएगा.
Yes. So I think I'm looking forward for that unfiltered Sakshi.
I hope so. I mean, and first things first, I
Yes.
want you to tell the world, who is Sakshi Koilar?
Okay. So I'm Sakshi. I'm based in Jammu. And I have this studio in Jammu. It's called the Scar Studio. And my entire journey just started back in 2020. And it started with a thought that I want to create a space for Jammu, जहाँ पर people could just come in, walk, have that entire vibe of art, that artsy vibe you see, जो वहाँ पर नहीं था and till date नहीं है. You know, so I wanted a space which I wanted back when I was, you know, a little kid and I wanted to paint. I always had this inclination towards painting and I wanted to have that space. So I thought of creating such space for Jammu, जहाँ पर लोग आ रहे हैं और वहाँ पर एक wall है जहाँ पर दुनिया भर के paints हैं. And there are n number of brushes, there are n number of mediums and canvases and everything that an artist, or if even a person is not an artist, can just, you know, go and try work on their creative muscles and just, you know, have good time with good music, good coffee, sit, relax, no judgment. So this is what I wanted to create.
A playground for artists.
Yes, and this is what I wanted to create for Jammu. I did that and I'm so happy about it.
Successfully, that too. I mean,
Yes,
you've done
and
it.
I did that with a conviction and not by confidence, I must say. But I did it. It worked in my favor, and I'm just very grateful about it.
But did you have this all planned, or was it just in the spur of the moment, or was it all impromptu?
No, it was. I wouldn't say that it was planned, but at the same time, it was not impromptu. Also, I always had a thing for painting. You know, it was my passion. I always wanted to paint, and even when I was into this job of mine, I was working as an academic researcher. Somewhere between, you know, just typing some
Yeah.
silly documents and then erasing it just to show that I'm working, I used to literally
Doodle.
sketch. I used to sketch, and I realized that I've been sketching even by professors in my university.
Oh, wow.
And once, you know, I even got caught. So anyway, that's a long
No,
story.
I mean, we would
Yeah.
love to hear it. Yeah.
So you know, there was this lecture going on in my college. I've done MBA.
Okay.
So yeah, so वहाँ पे वो मेरे professor पढ़ा रहे हैं, and it was such a boring lecture it was, and I just started sketching his face, and he somehow noticed that Sakshi is definitely not into this class. So he just says, Sakshi Gullar, please come here and show me your copy, your
Oh my God,
register,
yeah.
whatever we had. So I had sketched his face, and he saw it and he showed it. The entire class was laughing like crazy. And at the end, Ariman, he tore that page
Oh my
and he
God.
took it with him. So, you know, I have this. So I knew that there's something in me. I wanted to paint ever since I was a child, you know. But I was not sure about it. So, yes, opening a studio was
And
just...
that's the difference, I mean, between execution and ideation.
Yeah.
90% of the artists, they want to be artists, but they don't execute it. I mean, in
Yeah.
your case, that
Yes.
fortunately happened.
Yes.
And you. But
Yes.
how did that transition happen?
This transition is everything. This is my life, Ariman. This transition is my life. You know why? Because not everything was unplanned,
Yeah.
but it is so organic. It is just so organic that मेरा बहुत इतना सा mindset था when I started my studio. बस इतना था कि मुझे एक space बनानी है, and I want people to come there, and I want people to paint there and have a good time, just like I wanted back for myself, you know. And just when I spotted a good space for myself, it's a rented space, okay, and थोड़ा सा investment किया मैंने उसमें, and but मेरे में इतनी energy थी और है और अभी तक है for those sessions that I take in my studio, कि मुझे पता था कि कुछ तो मैं कर ही लूँगी, इतना बड़ा कुछ हो जाएगा कि मुझे नहीं पता था, to be very frank. So yes, so that space when I opened, बस इतना सा mindset था कि मुझे इतना ही करना है कि मेरा rent निकल जाए, you know, बस इतना सा mindset से I started my journey. And then immediately when I was about to launch my studio, I thought we'll have some, you know, art and wine and everything, and
Sip and
people
dips.
sip in something, and I'll call all the, you know, the elite, you know, people,
H&I,
yeah, and I'll call them, and we'll have this, and then COVID happened. Just COVID happened.
You know, funnily, in all the podcasts I've done, everyone has mentioned how COVID has changed their life for the better.
Yeah.
For the best, actually.
Yeah.
90% of the Instagrammable artists who actually became famous happened because of COVID.
I owe everything to Instagram, let me tell you.
Yeah, I mean-
and of course, my own hard work, because I show up every day without fail, even on Sundays. I don't have a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि Sunday को छुट्टी है. I love doing what I'm doing right now so much that I show up every day, even on Sundays, even on Monday. क्या Sunday है, क्या Monday है, मुझे नहीं पता. I love doing what I do right now. And I think that is, you know, I come back to that.
Fortunately, it's worked out for you.
Yes, it worked out for me.
What a
And yeah,
beautiful life.
Yeah.
Talking about, okay, now let's talk about the controversial stuff. Not the controversial, but 75 million views.
Yeah.
How did that happen?
75 million views, it's a number that changed my life, I must say.
But
So-
is it only a number, or is it a number that people in today's time, or you specifically, do give two shits about?
I'll tell you something about that.
Hmm.
It was so random.
Hmm.
Normal life चल रही थी. Okay?
Yeah.
Normal मेरे studio sessions चल रहे थे. And वो normal नहीं थे. By the way, I must tell you that I had a waiting list of at least 50 to 60 people who
Oh,
wanted
wow.
to come. And मेरे एक session से I used to cover the rent. Okay? And at that time I had 3 sessions, you know.
Wow.
3 sessions.
Okay.
So वो मेरे लिए सब everything was like so goody goody. This is life. What's happening? This is everything I wanted and everything, you know. And almost पूरा जम्मू वहाँ पे आ चुका है एक बारी
Okay.
at least, you know.
Okay.
मतलब I wouldn't say like पूरा जम्मू as in
But
जिनको
yeah,
इंटरेस्ट
जिनको
है,
पता है.
जिनको इंटरेस्ट है, जिनको आर्ट का इंटरेस्ट है, फ्रॉम a 19-year-old girl to a 60-year-old woman, okay?
Wow.
So वो सब वहाँ पे आके वो एक्सपीरियंस ले चुके हैं. So ऐसा ही कुछ चल रहा था, and one day me, my husband and our friends, a couple of friends, we decided to go to Srinagar. Well, sorry, this Pahalgam, Kashmir, and just a random day, सुबह उठी हम लोग. I always carry a black diary with me. जब वो खत्म हो जाती है मैं फिर से एक ब्लैक डायरी लेती हूँ. ब्लैक डायरी ही लूँगी मैं, ओके. सो आई वॉज पेंटिंग ऑन दैट डायरी एंड आई वॉज जस्ट सिटिंग बाय लिदर इज जो पहलगाम का रिवर है, वहाँ पर मैं बैठी हूँ विथ माई फीट डिप्ड इन एंड एवरीथिंग, वेरी एस्थेटिक थिंग. एंड आई टोल्ड माई हस्बैंड, अच्छा मैं कुछ पेंट कर रही हूँ, जस्ट टेक अ रैंडम वीडियो ना, जस्ट टेक अ रैंडम. एंड एट दैट टाइम लेट मी टेल यू, प्लेन एज तो बहुत होते हैं, बट द पिक्चराइजेशन भी उसका इतना बेसिक था, बट वो जगह इतनी सुंदर थी. एंड द कैच ऑफ दैट एंटायर रील वॉज कि after every plein air session I have, I do this, you know, there is this painting, I do this and then there is this. And जो मेरा पेंट किया होता है, I'm very proudly saying that, वो इतना exactly होता है कि पीछे background का, and I use gouache paints there, okay? So वो इतना exact था that people could just relate, अरे ये तो photo निकाल दी, this is a picture. And then there were comments, I think there are a lot of comments on that, and there were certain comments, oh you did not paint Maruti Swift, there is a Maruti Swift there. And I got comments like that, and I just slept over that reel. Next day when I woke up, my phone was like ding 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 ding. I said something is happening. My phone, मेरा hang हो गया था phone. And then I woke up to I think 3 million views. I slept for 200 or 300 views. Say I woke up to 3 million views or something.
Fantastic.
And then at that time, I'm talking about 2021, okay?
Yeah.
So was time 21 or 22? I guess I don't know. So
20,
yeah,
okay.
21 I guess.
Yeah.
And then at that time 3 million was a big
million number, yeah.
वो 3 million से शाम तक 12 million हो गया, 12 से 20, 30, 40, 50, जब तक 50 anyway जब तक वो 10 पे पहुंच जाता मैं कमेंट्स पढ़ना छोड़ चुकी थी.
Of course.
So yeah, so जब वो 30, 40, 50, 60 and that was the time I said oh ये क्या हो गया है. My followers started, but then I did not believe in my followers at that time because मुझे लगा ये तो इतनी एक स्वाइप पे 100 you know,
wow.
one swipe and there was this 100 hearts, 100 likes, 100 comments, 100 followers. 5 minutes के बाद another swipe, 100 followers, 100 you know, likes and 100 comments. Yeah. Same thing just kept happening. I did not believe in that actually, to be very frank. मुझे लगा ठीक है followers बढ़ रहा है, great, I've got इतना followers and everything, but life changed when people started asking for that one painting. वो जो इतना सा 5 inch by 7 inch का मैंने बनाया था ना, on that diary, I sold it for a good amount, okay?
Yeah.
And
can we know the amount, please?
Yes, I sold it for 65,000.
Wow.
And उस time
the diary वाला
इतना डायरी का
5 by
पेज
7.
और कोई फ्रेम नहीं, कुछ नहीं, इतना सा डायरी का 5 inch by 7 inch का पेज, क्योंकि मैंने उसके साथ इतना बड़ा नोट लिखा था, this is so viral and a lot of celebrities reposted it, like a lot. I have a couple of screenshots, I can share them with you, and I don't remember the name. A lot of celebrities shared, you know, on their page.
And this is exactly what an artist wants.
Yeah.
Like we artists only run after validation and, you know, recognition. And
उस time पे I used to run behind validation through internet.
Yeah.
I used to do that. फिर you know that page, उतना सा page, and then I thought no, I think my life is much more about it, and इतना से नहीं हो सकता. Let's just.
What's the difference between online life versus an offline life? You've lived online life as in life on Instagram. It's all a facade. That is what I keep on saying. Mm-hmm. That Instagram is all you've got the best of the best of the best versus what you're living in reality. How different is it?
See, you know, I don't know if you just scroll my Instagram page. I do not post much about my personal life. It's
Yeah.
just
Work,
restricted
yeah.
to my work. It's just restricted to my art, my thing. And मैं वही post करती हूँ आर्यमन जिसके बारे में I really feel about it, you know. And I do not just go behind the trends. Let me tell you that. वो जो
Yeah,
ऐसे trend
trends
है,
तो I haven't
canvas
seen,
पड़ा
yeah.
है, ठप करके गिर गया,
And फिर
उठाया
उठाया.
और I can't do that. I tried it. I'll be very frank. I tried it. It is so exhausting, and it is so. I am so unapologetically happy about it that I do not do that, and I don't think I'll plan to do that anytime in future because I think it's not worth it. Up storytelling is way
The way
better,
better.
than just showing up with a canvas कि अच्छा ये मैंने बनाया है and everything. That storytelling is something that not only hooks but that your audience stays with
And
you.
art is
Yeah.
about storytelling.
Art is about
You know,
storytelling.
one thing that I've seen, I mean, noticed, and a big difference in the art industry is
Yeah.
earlier, like I've mentioned in my previous podcast, every artwork used to have a description.
Yeah.
So whenever you would walk into an art gallery, you would see a whole ass, description. That this is what the artist
Yeah.
thinks. This is what he's made. This is the price, whatever. In the recent, I think 3.5, 4 years, artists have stopped doing it.
I
For
do
one-
that.
Huh?
But I do that.
Yeah, which is good
I do
because I
that.
think there are two perspectives to everything.
Yeah.
And why have they stopped doing it? One, because there's too much of effort involved. Second, they want art to be subjective. Like they say that because at the end of the day, it's a customer who has to hang the painting in their house. So why should I tell him or her my perspective? And if I tell him my perspective, then what's the point of me existing? Which is, I mean, I've had so many conversations with artists about this. So, and yeah, so I think it's absurd. So you have a description with each and every artwork that you.
I put it only for the Instagram.
Yeah.
Why? Because मेरे client को पता है कि मैं क्या बना रही हूँ. There is not a single client till date जिनसे मैंने telephonically बात नहीं की है. Okay? Because my business model is little different. It's not based or it does not come out of galleries, you know.
Yeah.
So it's little different. Whether it is directly, coming from the client or from Instagram or from any kind of social media, or I get it through any architect I've already or previously worked on, I always have a conversation with the client. You know why? Because this is what my structure is, and that's how I like to work.
Because artworks are personal, yeah.
Yes, and my so. Okay, let's just. Are we talking about my clientele right now?
I mean, we're talking about whatever you want to talk
Okay,
about.
so before anything, I just say that we all we know about the Hercules pyramid, right?
Yeah.
So there's just one.
It's so funny. Yeah, okay.
Why-
We continue.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we've all heard about the Hercules pyramid, okay?
Yeah.
So there is just one thing, I don't know, I cracked about that pyramid is that we all know there's a top tier, there's a middle tier, and then there's the base tier. I knew one thing for sure, there is one mindset segment that is common in all the 3 tiers, okay? वो मेरा clientele है. उसी को मैंने कैप्चर किया और उसी को मैंने पकड़ा और मैंने अभी तक पकड़ के रखा है. आई डोंट केयर कि लोग बोलते हैं क्या बना रही है, ये आर्ट भी नहीं है. दैट्स ओके फॉर मी. इट्स ओके. इट्स ओके बिकॉज I have that structure and I have those clientele जिनको चाहिए कि they all have a vision. All the 3 tiers have a vision, and I put myself as a bridge between their vision and putting
the
it
artwork you do.
and the
And
artwork I do.
execution, yeah.
I am the execution. I am the hands for their vision.
You know why did I smirk and look
yeah,
at Vimy?
yeah.
So because this is what I say. So this is the base model of Anya. So I keep on saying this in
Acha.
every podcast that we follow the Hercules pyramid. So
Yeah.
there's the top tier, middle tier, this tier.
Yeah.
So my biggest clientele is that middle tier.
Middle tier, yes, they are the aspirational,
Aspirational collectors
They are the aspirational collectors, and they are those collectors who are ready to invest in the amount, but in the painting, but they want the resonance.
Yes.
They want the resonance, and I think I am just sitting there for them. You know, I thought that let's do this. मुझे थोड़ा सा I tried the gallery way also. I must tell you, मुझे वो थोड़ा सा slow लगा.
Not the Anya way.
Yeah, I did not. Yeah, yeah. I don't know. But मुझे वो थोड़ा सा slow लगा. But then since I started getting these commissions, I thought that okay.
Yeah, see, I think
देख
every
रहे हैं.
artist
Yeah.
has his or her journey.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, the gallery model is very different.
Very
Instagram
different.
is very different.
Yes, it has credibility, I must say.
Yeah, I mean,
उसमें होती है.
there are 10,000 things. But
Okay.
anyway, how is, I mean, what is the most common misconception about an Instagram creator like yourself who is actually pursuing art on Instagram and selling it so beautifully? What is the biggest misconception?
Misconception. There can be a lot of misconceptions.
No, but you get a lot of negative clutter or feedback.
No.
कि अच्छा आपने ये नहीं किया या आपने
No.
वो नहीं किया या आपने
No.
अच्छा you never
I've never touch wood.
touch wood.
Touch wood. I've never faced that. So I'll tell you one thing. I did face a backlash. So after every 2 years, I do something new. Okay, because recently I got into this industry. I wouldn't say that I'm a part of industry or something. This is my work. Very recently I got into this. So what happened was that a couple of years back, 2-3 years back, I launched these series called the Jarokha series.
Okay, yes,
Okay?
of course.
Yeah. So this series is for the base tier of the Hercules pyramid. Okay, in very technical language.
Technical language, yeah.
Okay, ये उनके लिए था जिनको होम डेकोर चाहिए. ओके, घर पे होम डेकोर चाहिए. सो दैट वाज माय साइड थिंग कि ओके यहाँ से मेरे पास आता. आई हैड अ कंप्लीट फुल टीम जो मेरे लिए वो कर रही थी. बेस बनाना, उसका वॉशेस करना, एंड देन आई यूज्ड टू डू द स्केच, एंड देन यहाँ कुछ ट्रांसफर्स करना. आई यूज्ड टू पेंट, एंड देन दे यूज्ड टू डू द मिरर वर्क, एक्रेलिक मिरर्स, ये वो. सो नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड, I diverted myself from the topic like
No
always.
worries.
Yeah. So basically, I diverted myself.
No worries. Chill. It's all good.
So basically, this is something that I launched for that kind of clientele. Okay, और वो मेरा साथ साथ चल रहा था. But at the same time, I was working more, and I am still working more on the commissions that I'm getting from. From the
okay,
other.
HNIs, yeah.
Yes, from the other.
Half.
Yeah, got it. So there was this Jarokha that I did, and I sent it to one of my clients, and she took, I think she just took one piece. जो मैंने, I think it took me like half an hour to do it because बाकी चीज़ मेरी टीम कर रही थी.
Ready थी.
है ना? So उसको half an hour लगता था, and it started from just rupees 9,000 and it one piece, okay, and then it went up to 26,000 last. Okay, small pieces, but it is more of craft work than artwork.
Yeah, than
Okay,
artwork.
but वो मेरा साइड चल रहा था. अब वो क्या हुआ, when it reached my client, वो टूट चुका था. So that is the only backlash in my life, in my career that I've had when it comes to paintings. जो कि they range, they are expensive and everything. There, touch wood, I haven't had any
Yeah, I mean,
kind of.
fortunately.
Yes, in fact, ये हुआ that once the artwork reached the client, they've called me and they've told me, they've conveyed this to me, they've given me this testimonial that Sakshi, your pictures does not do any justice to the artwork. So that is the biggest testimonial or the reward I can get from any client, and I that's what I like to.
But how
maintain.
do you as because I'm pretty sure with so many followers and engagement, you must be getting a lot of orders and a lot of scams as well. How do you filter out an order that you want to take versus what you do not want to take?
I'll tell you something. There is no filter.
There is no filter.
There is no filter.
Genuinely.
So initially, this is very funny, okay?
Yeah, please.
This is very funny. So initially, I used to check out that page. और जिसकी डीपी बहुत हॉट होती थी, मुझे लगता था कि यार ये थोड़ा पैसे वाला है, ये शायद दे सकता है. या
एंड बहुत पता चल जाता है. बहुत पता चल जाता है.
एंड व्हाट्सएप पे मैं डीपी देखती थी एंड आई यूज्ड टू सी हाँ ये डिस्प्ले पिक्चर में बहुत ही ऐसे प्रॉपर अच्छी पिक्चर है, वेरी प्रीमियम पिक्चर है, तो इससे तुम 40,000-50,000 एक्स्ट्रा मांग सकते हो इनिशियली. ठीक है, बट देन दैट वाज जस्ट वेरी इनिशियल स्टेज. सो दैट हैपेंड. नाउ लेटर ऑन व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट so I have this business WhatsApp number on my Instagram which is there, and जहाँ से maximum conversions होती है. ठीक है, not through DMs. ठीक है, जिसको सीरियसली वो
हाँ, वो
आर्ट वर्क
WhatsApp
लेना
पे,
है.
हाँ.
एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई हैव कन्वर्टेड एवरी ईमेल, ऑलमोस्ट एवरी ईमेल दैट आई हैव गॉट.
wow.
ओके, बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता है जो इतनी मेहनत करके मुझे पूरा
Type
ब्रीफ
हाँ.
दे रहा है, एंड somehow मुझे पता चल जाता है चैट जीपीटी से कौन सा आया है और जेन्युइनली किसने टाइप किया हुआ है. ओके, सो I might be wrong, but then you get a feel of, you know, how the person wants to get. And then when there is a special request that Sakshi, can we please get on a call, I get it that that person is really serious about this. And once I speak, I think 90% of the calls I have already converted. Okay, because वो मुझे अपना emotion इतने अच्छे से बताते हैं आर्यमन, and then they ask me कि Sakshi, this is what I feel, and that's how I want that piece to be. Can you please do it for me? Do it your way. Use whatever you want to use.
Oh, there is artistic
Oh
freedom.
my God,
In our case, we don't get.
Oh my God, मतलब almost आप 3-4 artworks मेरे छोड़ दो, बाकी I have these people who tell me, we want this. Please do it like you want. We give you a free hand, Sakshi. Please do it the way you want to
Beautiful,
do it.
yeah.
And then when somebody tells me, something like that, and they are those people who will never bargain. Okay. In fact, I don't know. In the
You know, this is all
today,
alien to me because I've spoken to so many artists.
No.
This rarely happens.
No, I cracked one deal today in the morning. Aaj subah. I was here sitting at home and she was continuously messaging. I thought, यार ये बहुत message कर रही है. I better just get back to it. It's very rude if I do not get back to her. She started with DMs. She started with email, and now she's on my WhatsApp.
On your WhatsApp.
And we cracked, and she's an architect, by the way, so she did bargain, you know. She
Architects
did bargain with me, but then at the end when I said that this is the last I can do, because this involves a lot of if you are giving me a free hand, then trust me, I'm going to do a lot of intricate details, because that's what I love to do in my artworks. And she said, okay, let it be, do it. And then जब वो मुझे ऐसे वाला do it होता ना, then I'm like, okay, I want to do this. चाहे वो उसमें थोड़ा बहुत bargaining, I don't mind that. That's okay. That it does happen. It is the structure and the mindset of our country, ठीक है. And mostly negotiate करना तो खून में सब में. So but then I think it's okay. You know,
No, I think it's fair. I mean,
it's fair. It's fair.
Yeah, because you're paying at the end of the day.
Yeah,
so
they're paying at the end of the day. It's fair, but it's also fair that if they are giving me a free hand, I think that is the biggest blessing I get.
That is what I'm saying,
when
because
it comes to
in my own case, I've never had that freedom. You know, when we take commission artworks, देते ही नहीं है कि नहीं हमें ऐसा ही चाहिए तो ऐसा ही चाहिए. But anyway, and how I mean, when you're doing this, how does your payment structure and your pricing work? Or is it all, you know, does it depend from project to project? How does it work?
Yes, it depends from project to project.
And that is the beauty of it.
Yeah.
But, I mean, yeah, Sakshi, see, you know, there is a life on Instagram, life off Instagram, which I was talking about.
Yes.
You know, there's, of course, a process that you follow
Yes.
as an artist as well,
Yeah.
as a human being as well. What is that process which makes Sakshi Courier? And what are the myths that people have about your life specifically? अच्छा, जैसे एक ये भी tagline बन गई ना कि artist की life तो धंधा बना रखी है types.
Yeah.
So what is that journey?
There are a lot of myths prevailing there. Let me tell you that. सबसे पहली बात, आप Instagram पे जो post करते हो, that's definitely not true. अगर आप मेरी इंस्टाग्राम की रील देखोगे जिसमें मैं पेंट कर रही हूँ और आगे पीछे प्लांट्स हैं और कलर्स हैं और वो सब है, रियल में ऐसा होता है, बट इट्स जस्ट फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर शॉट.
Exactly.
अगर आप मुझे रियल में देखोगे तो मेरी पेंटिंग के आसपास इतना मेस होता है. मेरी उस पेंटिंग को छोड़ के उसके आगे पीछे आई हैव माई कलर्स, एटलीस्ट 4 डिफरेंट टम्बलर्स में पानी होता है. मेरे कलर्स की पैलेट्स कम से कम 4 या 5 पैलेट्स होती हैं, एंड दैट ऑल्सो नॉट रेगुलर पैलेट्स. दे आर आइदर अ मेडिसिन बॉक्स और अ ज्वेलरी बॉक्स, और यस आइदर अ मेडिसिन और अ ज्वेलरी बॉक्स, और रैंडम I'll tell you, रैंडम जो ये जो फूड जहाँ पे जो खाना लगाते हैं उसकी प्लास्टिक शीट्स होती है ना, सो वो शीट्स मैंने टेबल पे बिछाई होती है, सो दैट आई कैन लाइक वेरी क्विक, क्योंकि एक्रेलिक कलर्स हैं बहुत जल्दी ड्राई हो जाते हैं, सो यू हैव टू बी लाइक रियली क्विक, यू जस्ट स्प्रे सम मिस्ट ऑन इट एंड देन यू हैव टू डू. सो एक्चुअली इट्स अ वेरी मेसी process. Technically, it's a very messy process. And my artwork does not start from studio and ends at studio. It goes to places. वो studio में start होता है, sketch होता है, फिर जब मेरा I take a
Mood,
break,
it's
I take
all,
it
yeah.
home, I start painting at home, I put my daughter to sleep, Later, after that, I go to the other room, I start painting, I do that painting, I again bring it back to my studio and then I again paint. लेकिन जब वो picture आती है उसकी, जब reel आती है, either I'm painting in some, garden
Aesthetics,
or
it's
something,
all, yeah.
aesthetics, and aesthetics do matter. I
Yeah,
agree.
they do.
I agree. Aesthetics matter, but वो process जो है, this entire वो painting कहाँ गई है, that is also very, I think that's very important, and I think that should also be shown, which I show on my stories technically, and not in a reel. Stories, they are confined to
Confined, yeah.
very limited audience, and जो मेरी audience है उनको पता है, अच्छा, okay, she's doing this, and I have these hymns that I listen while painting. Okay, most of the paintings, they are also related to
Do you have a
God.
specific playlist that you listen to?
Yes, and a lot of people have asked me about
Whoa,
that
whoa, tell me,
playlist,
tell me.
and it is on this YouTube Music. The playlist is open. It's called the SKA playlist,
Achha,
and a
wow.
lot of people have subscribed to it already, and they listen, and I keep updating it, and I think I'm a very senti person, so I love to
high five, yes.
I love to listen to all kinds of senti songs and
Same.
heartbroken
Heartbroken ghazals. Oh
और
my.
and I don't know why there is a mood, जब मैं थोड़े ऐसे हिप्पी सॉन्ग भी सुनती हूँ, यार टेक्नो भी कभी कभी सुन लेती हूँ, but then that doesn't give me that, मैं उसमें पेंट नहीं कर सकती हूँ. So yes, there is this entire process that I go through. The most important thing I work on is the base sketch. Okay, the canvas that I use, colors वगैरह वो सब.
Is there a specific company of the canvas or your paint that you specifically use?
Again, this is a myth. Let me
Yeah.
tell you. Canvas, of course, I use a 12-ounce canvas.
Yeah.
Okay, which is either pre-gessoed or I gesso it as per
Achha,
my
you do
yeah
it.
yeah, and I stretch it myself. I hate.
You know how to stretch?
Yes,
Oh,
of
wow,
course.
okay.
I hate a clumsy canvas.
Yeah.
I hate when the canvas is like this.
Yeah,
I want my
baby.
canvas
To
to
be
be
tight.
like solid. Like I want it like that. I have seen a lot of artists sticking a canvas onto the wall
Or
and
the
then-
board or a bloody
or
MDF board.
let it free fall and then they paint, और मुझे नहीं समझ आता वो कैसे उसमें पेंट करते हैं. I can't do that. I want it like
Crispy,
boom,
yeah.
boom, like ऐसे मुक्का बच जाना चाहिए उस canvas के ऊपर, it's like that solid canvas. That's something I'm very particular about. And then paints का मैं नहीं बोलूँगी, a decent quality paint. I think Camel is okay.
Camel is the OG.
Yeah, it is the OG.
Yeah, in India, though, specifically because
Camel is OG. I did a recent collab with Faber-Castell.
Yeah.
Okay, Faber-Castell, and even Faber-Castell paints are very
They've
good.
just gotten to the market,
They're good, but I would say Camel is OG. They're amazing. But very recently, I'd like to mention about this. I've invested. I would say invested in
They are.
golden heavy body acrylic paints, and they are bomb. Those paints, they are bomb. Itna sa pigment goes a long way, it goes a long way. It's so well pigmented. It's very nice. But then I would not say कि अगर आप ये वाला colors लोगे तो आपकी painting कुछ बहुत ही अच्छी बन जाएगी. I
It is
wouldn't say
skill,
that.
yeah.
It's the skill. Yeah, but then once you raise or you hike the price of your painting, you want to give the best to your client. You want the best of the framing for them, a nice top-notch framing for them. You want a nice,
when you deliver the artworks, you deliver it stretched and framed.
When in India,
Most-
India, yes, but when it
Wow.
comes to most of my paintings, they go outside India, and that I ship in the roll form.
Rolls.
Yes,
Do you have a team, Sakshi? I mean, you're doing this all by yourself?
I am doing everything by myself.
Are you serious?
Yes, I just have a team for the Jarokha series.
A little
उसको छोड़ के.
diversion.
Yeah,
You're a mother of
Yeah.
a 9-year-old.
yeah.
You have a married life. Of
Yeah.
course, you have a personal life, which I want to ask you, what do you do in your personal life?
Yeah.
You have a professional life, because
Yeah.
I think this is a full-time job.
This is a full-time job, yes.
This is another misconception that art is whatever. It's a
No.
full-time job. It's a
Yeah.
full-time 9 to 5 job.
Yeah. 9 to 5 नहीं.
नहीं, in the sense कि मतलब
Oh gosh.
My
it
meaning
is a
is
9 to 9 job.
yeah. My meaning is because ये भी एक पहले मिसकंसेप्शन होता था ना कि अच्छा आर्टिस्ट है ये तो फ्री वेगा बैठा
No,
होएगा
no.
या इसके पास तो कुछ धंधा ही नहीं है करने को.
No.
So that is why parents used to stop their kids from pursuing art because it's not a full time job, but it is a full time job.
Parents, okay, let me tell you. This is a bomb thing I'm telling you. My parents, my family, my husband, they're my biggest flex. They have pushed me. My husband has pushed me. छोड़ दे job, नहीं करनी. Painting करना. My father-in-law. I mean, he's been my biggest support. He passed away last year, unfortunately. He was one person. He used to acquire paints for me from US and tell me
Wow.
कि साक्षी ये कुछ नया पैक
ऐसा
आया है,
बनाना,
36 कलर्स का पैक आया है, ये सारे कलर्स एक कैनवस पे डाल दो, कुछ कर दो ऐसा. He was a gem of a person. And then my father always had this line, तू कर मैं पीछे खड़ा हूँ. You know, and then ये line मेरे husband ने बहुत जल्दी सीख ली. You know, and I'll share when the studio setup was about to happen. I still have that picture. So I have this एक ऐसे एक ऊपर एक एरिया है मेरे स्टूडियो में फ्रॉम द सीलिंग जहाँ पे बहुत सारे ब्रशेस टंगे हुए हैं. यू नो दे आर
Oh, wow.
या
Okay, beautiful.
सो दे आर डिप्ड इन कलर्स एंड वो मैंने ऐसे हैंग किए हुए हैं.
Thank you.
सो आई हैव दिस पिक्चर ऑल्सो ऑफ माई फादर. वो नीचे वो ब्रश को एशियन पेंट्स में डिप करके सुखा के और मेरा हस्बैंड उसको ऊपर टांग रहा है एक एक करके. सो यू नो दैट काइंड ऑफ सपोर्ट.
These small
Yes,
incident-
and it
yeah.
is in my memory. It is in my picture. I have that in my pictures. I invested a very little amount in my studio to an extent that वहाँ की दीवारें भी मैंने पेंट किया है, पार्टीशन भी मैंने पेंट किया है, प्राइमर भी मैंने किया है. सिर्फ जो बेसिक वो फ्लोरिंग
हाँ,
का
समझ
काम
आती
होता है
है.
वो सब
वो
मुझे नहीं
नहीं किया
आता.
था.
बाकी प्राइमर एवरीथिंग बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू सेव एवरी पेनी. मेरे पास बहुत छोटा सा सेविंग था उस टाइम पे जिसको मैं ये सोच के इन्वेस्ट किया
All
था.
by yourself.
I haven't, very proudly, I haven't taken a single penny from my husband or from my father or anybody. It is just that started from my savings account. And जब मैंने उसको invest किया अपने स्टूडियो में, मैंने ये सोच के invest किया that I am not going to get this money back ever.
Yeah,
ये मैं
it's-
इसी
it's-
mindset से गई
Yeah.
थी. और अगर साक्षी ये पैसे तुझे मिल गए वापस लाइफ में
तो bonus.
तो मतलब then there's no going back. You better be ready कि you have to work like an ass. You have to work hard. You
Wow,
have
yeah,
to do
beautiful.
that. So this is just what I had in my mind at that time. And fortunately वो पैसे मैंने 3 months yes it was इतना सा amount था but मैंने 3 months में वो cover up कर लिया.
मतलब जो भी
Yeah.
लगे होंगे 10 lakhs 15 lakhs 20
Yeah.
lakhs but still
And in 3 months, I was able to cover it up just by my sessions. Okay, उस टाइम पे कमीशन आर्ट क्या होता है
कुछ
कुछ
पता
होता है
ही
मुझे
नहीं.
कुछ नहीं पता था. पैक कैसे करते हैं पेंटिंग्स को मुझे ये भी नहीं पता था. सो
and you don't have a team also.
आई डिड नॉट हैव अ टीम. जो मेरे उस टाइम पे अपेरेंटली स्टूडेंट्स होते थे वही मेरी
वही
मदद
help
करते
करते
थे
थे.
कि साक्षी दीदी लेट्स डू दिस, हम इसको पैक करते हैं, लेट्स पुट सम यू नो नाइस ऐसे कुछ इसमें. एंड इट्स जस्ट वन थिंग कि मैं प्रॉपर बॉक्स कारपेंटर से बनवाती हूँ.
Of course, the crate, yeah.
yeah that is a proper thing. एक MDF का एक solid box with a nice cushioning and everything that goes with the painting of course. But उसको भी aesthetics कैसे डालना है, ribbon कैसे डालना है, so there was just all my
Packaging and all.
yeah.
Oh wow.
So it all started. I have started from the scratch. So that is why I know कि ये journey it is not easy. ऐसा नहीं कि first painting I sold was for 10,000 rupees. Okay, and I know.
And now how much do you sell your paintings for?
Okay, I don't mind sharing that. That's okay. It's my journey. It's my hard
Yeah.
work. So it can be. There's a variation, you know. It depends कि मैं किस size का painting कर रही हूँ. What the thought process is. What amount of intricacy I'm putting. And of course, there is
The
one thing that
journey.
really matters. एक तो मेरे mind में the positioning of that painting. Okay, where I position that painting, and second very important thing is the intuitive content, the intuitive thing that I have about that painting. मुझे पता होता है मेरी कौन सी painting bomb बनने वाली है और कौन सी painting
चलो,
आके
ठीक
चली
है.
जाएगी. So when I know about that painting, that is one factor जिसको मैं pricing में I
Involve करती हूँ.
I involve, and let me tell you कि वो pricing can start. For example, okay, let me give you an example. For example, एक 3 feet by 4 feet का पेंटिंग है एंड आई स्टार्टेड बाय 2 lakhs. It can go till 3 lakh, 4 lakh, even 5 lakhs, depending कि मेरा क्लाइंट मुझसे क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है, वो मुझे कितना टाइमलाइन दे रहा है एंड कितना फ्री हैंड दे रहा है, यू नो. एंड व्हेन आई गेट दैट फ्री हैंड आई आस्क फॉर दैट अमाउंट फ्री हैंड से कि इफ़ यू आर ओके विद दैट, great. And mostly people are okay with that. Like I told you about the Hercules pyramid, there are all kind of buyers there. Okay, it's just that you hit that right person out there, you know.
You had such scams with any customers, or like ऐसा हुआ होगा कि कस्टमर भाड़ में जाए लिटरली, या मतलब निकल जाए?
एक आध बारी.
Tell me that story. I want to hear.
एक आध बारी. So I was painting this, वो painting apparently Instagram पे बहुत viral हो गई, but my client kind of, it's not that she hated it or something, but she asked me for a lot of amendments in that painting to an extent that I got so irritated that I put it on Instagram and I showed her that, dude, this is the validation, now keep it and keep it if you want to. You don't want to keep it, I am ready to refund your amount. And I was ready, and I am always ready. मेरा, you know, people, a few people in my studio भी recently मेरे session में कुछ बोले, तो साक्षी दी आप ये बनाने वाले हो, for example, there's this commission I'm going to start just after this podcast. It's about the 12 Jyotirling, okay? And how I make that a statement piece for my client. मैंने उनको कैसे pitch किया कि मैं normal नहीं बनाने वाली हूँ उसको, कि ऐसे I don't want to make a road map, okay? So how I pitched that, ठीक है, उसी pitch को रख के, उसी positioning को रख के I price it, and then my one of my students, she asked me कि साक्षी दी यार आप just tell me one thing, how are you so confident कि आप ये कर लोगे, आप ये कर लोगे? That confidence only comes by trust. ये और ये लेक्चर वाली बात नहीं है. This is
a fact.
अगर किसी ने मुझे वो फ्री हैंड दिया है, she trusts me so much with that money, with that skill,
and the time,
and the time that I'm going to invest. I mean, मेरा खुद मन करता है कि मैं उसको जस्टिस करूं और मैं उसमें and until unless I am 100%. I am positive कि ये मैंने अपनी तरफ से 100% दिया है. Only then I give it to my client. Else, even if it is 95%, I do not give it to my client. आप रुक जाओ, मुझे 2 मिनट, just give me some time with this painting. Let me fix this part. It for me. अगर उनको अच्छा भी लगता है ना, still I tell them, wait, let me fix this part for myself.
For yourself.
And not for anybody else.
Do you see a difference between the clients in India, within India, and the clients that you serve abroad? Have you seen a difference? I mean, of course, pocket wise, yes, but any other difference in character or behavior?
नहीं, pocket wise भी ऐसा नहीं है, सब है.
नहीं, वो I was only saying it for the
there are a lot of richies in India. So pocket wise भी ऐसा नहीं है, but yes, there is a difference. That is कि यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा ना bargaining culture तो है. Like I said, there are people are price sensitive here. Outside also people are price sensitive, but then, you know, I'll tell you something. They want to take apart मेरा जो concept होता है. Most of my paintings are based on the Indian culture, Indian gods, Indian contemporary. Okay, these people, they want a part of India और उसके लिए they are ready to pay any price. वो एक इंडिया का एक part इंडिया से निकाल कर अपने घर में वहाँ पे लगाना चाहते हैं, for which they are ready to pay a good amount. And then that's what I give it to them. And there is another thing that I do. I'll tell you. So ये I don't know, मेरे लिए अच्छा है कि बुरा है, अभी तक तो ठीक ही चल रहा है. What happens is that sometimes I do get certain themes that I do not like to paint. But वो client इतना push करता है ना कि मैम please do it, we want it from you, let's do it, and I love how you work. So there is this one strategy that I do. या तो मैं उसको मना नहीं करती हूँ. So, you know, my father-in-law taught me that he was a senior advocate. So उन्होंने मुझे बताया था कि, और मैं वही उसी चीज़ को फॉलो करती हूँ, वो ये कि या तो आप ओके हो जाओ उस पेंटिंग से बनाने के लिए, ओके, whether not. I posted on my Instagram. I haven't posted a lot of paintings that I've done on Instagram.
I'm pretty sure, I mean, yeah.
So उसका मैं प्राइस इतना कर देती हूँ
कि वो ऑटोमेटिक,
कि या तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली मना कर दे, या और अगर नहीं मना करे तो बेटा पैसों के लिए करो. Then you do it for money. You know, it's अगर आपको लगता है
one of the best tricks, yeah.
अगर आपको क्लाइंट वो पैसे खुद ही मना कर देता है, ठीक है आपका वैसे भी मन नहीं था वो बनाने का, दैट्स ओके, इट्स ओके, लेट्स जस्ट पास. लेकिन अगर वो उस अमाउंट में भी ओके कर देता है तो डू इट. आई हैव डन 2-3 पेंटिंग्स, बट सिंस वो मेरा पर्सनल कनेक्ट नहीं होता उस टाइप का आर्ट वर्क के साथ, सो आई हैवंट रियली पोस्टेड ऑन माई पेज. सो
No, which is fair enough. As I was telling you downstairs, please.
Yeah,
As I was telling you downstairs also, there are two kinds of artworks. One is a commercial, and one is a collector's piece. So I mean, the ones you're doing right now are the collector's pieces versus the commercial ones, which you usually avoid, but then do it for the money.
Yeah.
That's the major difference. But this story is very fun. What made you say fuck you to your job? You were into banking, you were an academic researcher as well. And one day you just said, "Ke, bhaad mein jao."
I'll tell you why.
Yeah.
बिकॉज मैं कुछ नहीं करती थी. मैं सिर्फ उस डेस्कटॉप के आगे बैठ के टाइप करती थी, इरेज करती थी दिखाने के लिए कि मैं कुछ कर रही हूँ. आई जस्ट यूज्ड टू टाइप एंड आई यूज्ड टू इरेज दैट एंड देन टाइप एंड देन इरेज दैट एंड आई यूज्ड टू वेट. ट्रस्ट मी, आई यूज्ड टू वेट कि मैं कब घर जाऊँगी और पेंट करूँगी. Because and I was just working for that little salary that I used to get कि मेरे पास वो अच्छा चलो और 2 महीने कर लेती हूँ, वो सैलरी मेरे पास आ जाएगी and I have some amount in my bank and then I'll see what to do about that money. So I think that, and then my husband,
Yeah, I mean, of course.
he said क्यों कर रही है, it's okay, and he knew कि मैं बड़ी खुददार हूँ and everything. He knew it. He खुददार and till date he knows very well and he did not, he मतलब वो ऑफर भी नहीं करता है and I really appreciate that. I really appreciate.
What does he not offer?
कि मतलब अच्छा मैं कर दूँ, ये उसको पता है वो भड़क जाएगी क्यों अब मैं कर रही हूँ, आई एम डूइंग इट माई सेल्फ, दैट्स ओके, आई एम डूइंग इट, आई एम एबल टू डू इट. Of course, he's my husband. He would do anything for me. He does it. He keeps quiet, but he does it for me. Of course, I get that. But yeah, that's how.
Beautiful,
yeah.
But
so
coming
that
back to
corporate shift.
Yeah.
So I'll tell you.
Was there an incident when you just went to your boss and said bye bye? I mean, did that happen? That dramatic incident where you just went to the office and you're like, I'm not coming from tomorrow because I'm pursuing art.
No, it was
No?
not that I'm
No.
pursuing art. At that time also I did not know that I'm going to pursue
Achha.
art. But I knew that I am going to follow my path of painting and passion. I knew that for sure. लेकिन वो it was out of frustration क्योंकि मुझसे वो नहीं होता. And I'll tell you one thing was for sure. I just cannot work for somebody so hard. मैं किसी के लिए भी इतनी देर बैठ
For their benefit.
For their benefit मतलब काम मेरा नाम तेरा. Yeah, you know. So I couldn't do that. मतलब if it is my work, I want my name. It's like that. And I was done. और इतना भी I was not getting paid, कि
Yeah,
I
of
have
course,
to sit
peanuts.
till 5 o'clock for something.
This is again a misconception. So I mean, I want to say to all the parents, कि parents को लगता है ना, like everyone's parents, कि अच्छा if you work with a good MNC or a company or XYZ, you're going to get good 2 lakh, 3 lakh rupees, 4 lakh rupees a month, or ठीक है 5 lakh rupees a month at a position which you have to work your ass off for. But artists in today's time, if I give you a number, they are easy. A good, decent artist is easily making 10 to 15 to 20 lakh rupees a month. A person who's not even name, but a person who exists in the market.
That's all because of social media. But I'll tell you, Aravind, I will not tell any student to just leave the job and start your art journey.
But
It
then
will
how
be
can you have the best of
wrong.
both worlds?
It will be very wrong. You know why? Because even I haven't done that. कि बस job छोड़ी कल से आर्ट वाह के artist है. No, I haven't done that. It took me years to have. I still do not have a style. Let me tell you. You know it, okay? I still do not have a style, but I picture myself. I do have a clientele. I have underpriced myself purposely because I wanted to get in that structure. I wanted to get in that market, and I have underpriced myself so bad that till date I do not feel bad about it. Why? Because it helped me
Because you know the reality, yeah.
Yes, it helped me fetch those clients, those couple of architects I work with till date, you know, जो मुझे वो काम लाके देते हैं, and very happily I take it and everything. So I think मैं नहीं बोलूँगी कि आप जॉब छोड़ो और आर्टिस्ट बन जाओ. नहीं, ऐसा
So then
नहीं
tell me
होता.
one thing, like, okay, wait.
Yeah.
You have a 9-year-old daughter.
Yeah.
She's growing up. She turns 16.
Yeah.
What is the ideal path for her to become legitimate in the industry? I mean, and wait, when I talk about the industry, we're not only talking about an artist. We're talking
Yeah.
about she can be an art curator.
She's a classical dancer, by the way.
She can be a classical
Yeah.
dancer.
Yeah.
She can be an art teacher.
Yeah.
Like, I'm
Yeah.
talking about the
Yes.
industry as a whole.
Yes.
Because the whole industry is abused.
Yeah.
But yeah. So, I mean, after 16, what do you think is the ideal path for her?
I think I am definitely not going to stop her from doing whatever
तो of
she
course.
wants to
Oh, I'm
do.
pretty sure that she's
because I tell you, back in my time when I wanted to take arts, you know, after my, it was a taboo at that time to take arts.
That is what I'm saying. Yeah.
It was a taboo at that time. मैंने 11th में बोलना शुरू किया था कि मुझे फाइन आर्ट पढ़ना है, और जम्मू में जो फाइन आर्ट कॉलेज है, that was till date it's like just
Scam.
Yeah, it's just mediocre. But the thing is that, and my father, he did not really wanted me to, you know, take fine art, because at that time it was a taboo. अच्छा आपकी बेटी फाइन आर्ट्स पढ़ती है, फाइन आर्ट्स छोड़ो, आर्ट्स में
Arts पढ़ती है.
Arts. And then I took non-med. Let me tell you, I took non-med, and after 4 months of doing those stupid vectors,
Wow.
which really passed off my head,
Yeah.
I told my father that I can't do this. पापा मैं fail हो जाऊँगी, वो चलेगा आपको? अब it's better कि आप मुझे commerce ले दो. I'll take commerce and I'll do commerce, and I was a horrible student, let me tell you. I was just a very average, और मेरे स्कूल में मतलब क्या ही बोलूँ, मेरा नाम सिर्फ एक चीज़ से फेमस होता था in my school. That was because of painting competitions that I used to win from class 1 till class 12.
Beautiful.
So, till date, my school has that huge trophy that it's just there at the display of my principal's, outside my principal's office. And तब भी शायद मम्मी पापा को ऐसा हुआ कि नहीं आर्ट now, अब तो खैर अभी now doesn't mean recent now my parents are totally different and they support me like anything.
But do you think that happens once they see the money come in?
No.
Because I'm a big believer of this. In my case also, I was a musician. So, I mean, my story is also similar. That I also started pursuing music. No one in the family used to, be supportive. Until and unless that money started popping in. That name started growing and this and that. But still there were reservations which these guys had. But at the end of the day, it's all about consistency. It's all about money. It's all about making a life for yourself. I think that is the main goal why parents do not allow kids.
No, in my case, it was not about money, to be very frank. My father just asked me one thing. My father told me, तुझे किससे खुशी मिल रही है? किस चीज़ से खुशी मिल रही है? I said, पापा मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ ये जॉब वॉब ये वो मुझे नहीं करना. I told my husband also मुझे नहीं करना. I like to paint. कुछ नहीं पैसे मिलेंगे, मुझे बस एक कमरा चाहिए जहाँ पे मैं पेंट करूँगी. वो मुझे बहुत खुशी देगा. And वो एक्चुअली हुआ, और उस कमरे से वो जो स्टूडियो तक की that journey है, that journey, कमरे से स्टूडियो की जर्नी took me 4 years. Let me tell you, ये ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने यहाँ जॉब छोड़ी और वहाँ स्टूडियो खोल दिया. कमरे से स्टूडियो तक की जर्नी was 4 years, जिसमें से 2 साल मैं सिर्फ रेंटेड स्पेस ढूंढ रही थी. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आई स्टार्टेड कि अच्छा कुछ 5-6 thousand पर मंथ का रेंट से I jumped to 10, फिर 20, 25, and finally I locked at a space that costed me 35,000 back then in 2020. 35,000 per month was just मेरा rent of that 1200 square feet area जो मेरा स्टूडियो का है. And so I think वो जो मेरी journey है ना, मैं there is so much in this journey, मेरा ये podcast खत्म हो जाएगा, but वो journey के बारे में.
And that it's true, and that is your journey from 10,000 rupees to 5 lakh rupees an hour.
Yes.
This is the honest truth.
Yes, this is the honest truth.
Coming back to that topic, okay, your daughter's 16 now. What is a path for her? Is there an art college she should go to? Is there what do you think is the ideal path for? Because
I don't think there is any ideal path.
No?
I do not think that there is any ideal path for Sarah. For my daughter's name is Sarah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't think there is any ideal path for her. I just tell her one thing. तेरे marks नहीं आते सारा. I am okay with it. Do not miss your Kathak classes. Do not miss that because I missed it when I was little.
This
you know?
is exactly what it is.
Do not miss. Get up in the morning, practice evening. You want to make an Instagram page, I'll make it for you. You want to do Kathak dance, I'll do it for you. Do not miss your Kathak classes. I am okay if you get just 50% marks. Pass ho ja. Bas. और कुछ नहीं. And she's just in class 4.
Yeah,
She's just jumped in class 4. You know. So that is. जब तक वो वहाँ पहुँचेगी, I'll see what's happening around, how's the culture, where the kids are going nowadays, what about the new gen,
it's,
whatever, you know.
Gen Alpha.
Yeah, Gen Alpha, I don't even know the names now. I'm a millennial. So, yeah. So, you know, I'll see whatever is happening and I'll ask her, however she wants to go about it. There has to be, there will be a structure.
Why am I asking is because people like yourselves, you know, and not only you, and I'm talking about a lot of artists. Because I have to meet artists every day. No one had a formal education system. No one had a good, decent college to go to.
No.
Number 3, no one had supportive parents, like you're saying. And number 4, which is the most important, which is a very underrated topic. To become an artist, also you need finances. ऐसा नहीं है, you need money to buy paint. You need money to buy canvases. You need money to put that canvas on a board. So you need money to actually become an artist as well. Because वो चलो 1 साल कर दोगे, 2 साल कर दोगे, उसके बाद आर्टिस्ट 2 साल में नहीं बनता. That is what my...
That argument, that is maybe, I can say it was the God's plan. Yeah, thoda sa finance was little okay. I mean, aisa
no,
nahi,
in your case, so it was.
Yeah,
but I'm talking about 90% of the artists
Yes.
who do not have these 5, 6, 7 blessings. So that is why I was asking you, so that there should be a structure so that the people in the next generation, कि हाँ जी, मैंने 16 के बाद ये फाइन आर्ट कॉलेज में जाना है या आर्ट्स कॉलेज में जाना है, उसके बाद मुझे 2 लाख, 10 लाख, 15 लाख, 1 करोड़ चाहिए to and 5 years चाहिए to invest in myself to reach a stage.
Yes.
So that is the structure that I'm talking about. Sakshi, the journey, this is what I was saying, from 10,000 to 5 lakhs, and this is why people end up paying a certain price. But now talking about your entire life, you've been in Jammu, you've grown up in Jammu, your family's from there, and we all know what the sad truth about, or the misconception, or the truth, I mean both are right, about that city is.
Which is?
Like it's you're in a environment where you do not have the best of resources. You do not have the best of facilities. You do not have the best of people also at times to work with as well, because an artist obviously has different vendors that he or she ends up working with.
Yeah.
So how different or how difficult it is to work in such an environment, and how different is it from a metro city like Delhi, for that matter?
Yes, it matters. Number 1, I love Jammu.
Yeah, of course.
I adore my city, and it has given me so much in terms of recognition, जो कि अगर मुझे resources में अगर मैं उसको equate करूँ, नहीं भी है, it's okay. We have Amazon, we have we have so many resources that I can get my stuff from Delhi, nearest places by Delhi and everything. But of course there is a culture there. People would not spend so much on an artwork. वो वही वाला क्लाइंटेल है, सोफे के पीछे मैच कर दो, ये वाला पेंटिंग, ये वाली पिक्चर लगानी है, या आप फलाना पोर्ट्रेट बना दो, विच आई डू नॉट डू पर्सनल पोर्ट्रेट्स. तो वो वाला क्लाइंटेल है वहाँ पर, जिसको मैं केटर नहीं करती. बट देन वी हैव दोज पीपल जो कि दे आर अगेन विलिंग टू पे एनीथिंग फॉर द आर्ट वर्क, हैंड मेड आर्ट वर्क. आई हैव क्लाइंट्स, repeated clients, okay? And when it comes to acquirement, if I want to acquire something, of course अगर मैं दिल्ली में होती या कहीं होती, things would have escalated way before, maybe or maybe not. I'm not sure about it.
No, of course it would have.
I'm not sure, but yeah, it's just that जो जम्मू में recognition, it's a small city, people know you. The recognition,
very intimate,
yeah, they're intimate, and people know you. They talk about you, they talk about your work, and they show that love to you, and I think I'm more than grateful for that. That's it. उससे ज़्यादा फिर मैं सोचती नहीं हूँ कि अगर मैं दिल्ली में होती या बॉम्बे में होती तो मेरे साथ ऐसा हो जाता, वैसा होता.
But did you have any hurdles while setting up your studio?
Not at all.
No, not at all.
Nothing. I was the happiest person, and I knew that I'm going to give something new to the city, and I was very confident. And till date, I'm very confident. वहाँ पे बहुत sip and paint होते हैं, वहाँ पर बहुत you know
Cultural
जो ये
activities,
cultural
yeah.
activities start हो चुकी. But I know the thing that I give to these people, I am dead sure 10 sip and paint और हो जाए, the quality that I give and the time I invest with my people in the studio, जो वो वहाँ आ जाते हैं वो मेरे बंदे हो जाते हैं, you know, the time and the energy I invest in those with those people and उनके artwork के ऊपर उनको बताना, उनको सिखाना, उन्हें वो environment देना, वो
It's not
नहीं हो
easy.
सकता, वो sip and paint नहीं कर सकता.
I'll also come someday.
Please do.
Yeah,
Yes, please do.
What are the top 5 steps into making a nice, good, decent studio? Like if me as an artist, I'm an upcoming artist, I want to make my studio. What are the top 5 things that I need? I mean,
Number one, I would say it should have a lot of natural light. Please
Yeah.
make sure that it has not a lot of natural light, because even if I have a 1200 square feet ka studio, there is one section of my L-shaped section of my studio that has a lot of natural light, and the other side which has no light. उस जगह पे सिर्फ स्टॉक ही पड़ा है आज तक, वहाँ पे कोई पेंटिंग नहीं हुई है, कुछ नहीं हुआ है. Either I invest in a good lighting system, like you know this. You have to invest. अगर आपके पास light नहीं है, then invest in good lighting. One is that. Buy good. If I say good, by good I mean decent colors. Again, Camel. Brushes. Trust me. In these 5 years, I have not thrown a single brush. वो सूख भी गया हो, मैंने फिर भी वो ब्रश नहीं फेंका है. क्यों? बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं घूम फिर के वो ब्रश मेरे काम आ जाता है.
Indian woman mentality.
Yes,
कुछ
it is.
भी हाँ. This
वहाँ
is
I'll oh नहीं, brushes हैं, लिफाफे नहीं है. Okay, so I'll tell you why. Because I also do a lot of nature artwork. कौन सा ब्रश के ब्रिसल्स कहाँ काम आ जाए मुझे खुद ही नहीं पता होता. मेरे इतने सारे स्टूडेंट्स जो ब्रशेस ख़राब करके गए हैं वहाँ से, मैं उनको भी सेव करती हूँ, बिकॉज आई नो मे बी आई कैन जस्ट पिक अप अ कलर एंड डू इट लाइक दैट ऑन माई कैनवस एंड गिव्स मी सम extraordinary texture out there on the canvas. So brushes, I would not say कि invest on brushes. I have bought brushes from Fadi. Okay, Meesho से भी brushes लेके मैंने पेंट किया. Yes, I'm telling you, makeup brushes. Oh my God, they do so
Wonders, yeah.
wonders. They do wonders in a for you know, I mean, use a nice blending. वो जो makeup blender
Yeah,
होता
yeah.
है, it does a great job for blending. Good brushes. And then of course हर artist का कुछ favorite तो होता ही है ना, जिसको you take extra care of that brush. उसको अच्छे से wash करोगे, dry करोगे, reshape करोगे, and then you would just keep it in your bag or whatever, your stand. And then a good brushes, easel and canvas. That's
about it.
That's about it. कुछ इतना, until unless you want to make it a commercial space. I wanted to make it a commercial space. That is why I invested a little more on the aesthetics और वो brushes टांगना, plants and everything. Still वो minimum था, but minimum that was required to at least give it a vibe of a good
studio.
art studio जहाँ सिर्फ art होता है. यहाँ पे और कुछ नहीं होगा. आपको आर्ट ही मिलेगा. कलर्स आप जिस तरफ नज़र घुमाओगे वहाँ आपको ब्रश दिखेंगे, कलर्स दिखेंगे, ऐसे ऐसे कलर्स दिखेंगे जो कि या तो मैंने खुद खरीदे हैं या मुझे बहुत सारे स्पॉन्सर्स हुए हैं जो लोगों ने दिए हैं कि मैम प्लीज़ ट्राई इट आउट समथिंग, बट नज़र घुमाओ और कलर्स दिखेंगे. सो आई थिंक दैट्स अनटिल अनलेस आपको उसको कमर्शियल नहीं करना
Commercial,
हो.
हाँ.
अगर आपको अपने लिए स्टूडियो, a small room is also enough with good natural light. That's,
Yeah, I think a small
Yeah.
1200 is huge. I
yeah,
mean,
1200 is
it's
huge. Yes.
But I think even 500, 600 square
Yes,
feet of
yes,
space
yes.
is good
It's good enough. Yes.
One thing which you missed out is good music. I think
Of course, nothing goes
Nothing.
without music in my studio. It's on the second floor, तो सबसे बेसमेंट पे बैंक है और वो
Oh.
बैंक वालों को भी पता है कि
कि
आज
आज
ऊपर गाने चल रहे हैं, तो आज ऊपर कुछ हो रहा है. So yeah, that
do you
music
have a
is,
goal for your studio? Like, what is your 5-year goal for the studio?
you know, I'll tell you something. There is no 5-year goal for my studio. You know why? Because I started with a different mindset. I ended up doing something else, and I don't want to say that I picture myself somewhere else or somewhere बहुत ऊपर. I am very happy with the pace I am right now. I'm very contented. But I obviously have that bhook to have
Yeah,
even more.
ambition is
Yes, I
very
do
important.
have that. But then at the same time, studio is something I don't want to, I don't want to give up on that. वो जो vibe है ना, that studio. So I recently took these sessions after 2.5 years or something, and these sessions were bomb again. They were a hit. They were like, people loved it, and there is one testimonial I get every time when people leave from the studio. Thank you, Sakshi, for giving us a home outside home.
Oh, wow.
And I feel I am so overwhelmed with that
And this is
reward that
what
I get.
artists
So
live
this
for,
is
yeah.
something I want to just, इसलिए मैं I don't want to overdo it कि आ जाओ इस महीने ये कराऊंगी उस महीने वो कराऊंगी. I take a break. I take decent breaks. I want that eagerness to come in people कि अच्छा यार अब ये इतना ही ले रही है. Maybe 3 महीने बाद 6 महीने बाद ये फिर से सेशंस लेगी. एंड देन व्हेन दैट आई फील कि यार अब वो ईगरनेस बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई है, आई अगेन come to Instagram. Hi, I'm opening up my sessions for this 2 months, so join me and do that. And then yes.
But do these sessions take a toll on you? Like, how's your life with or without these sessions? I'm pretty sure it's taxing to do 10,000 things. Coming
It's
back to my
just
old
the
question.
opposite.
Yeah.
I don't want to go back home once I get into my session. I get calls, hello Sara aa gayi hai, please come back, or maybe my husband calls me.
Do you have those naughty students as well?
वहाँ पे student culture है ही नहीं मेरे
अच्छा.
studio में. There is no. I have ended up making my best friends in my studio. Okay, जो इस age में आके मैंने अपने best friends बनाए, like in my
Wow.
30s.
Yeah.
Okay, I have my best friends that came out, who came in just for the love of art, and they moved out as my best friends. So yes, that's what I'm doing, and that's what culture I want to just keep putting in there in my studio. I don't want to stop. I don't want to stop taking sessions. Never.
I don't think you should.
वो अगर I did get one comment कि isn't taking session a teacher kind feeling? अरे teacher kind feeling? It's my sanity. I love what I'm doing. I don't want to go back home. When you're doing something, you don't want to go back home, back to that normal life. You're doing the right thing, bro. You're doing the right thing in your life if you don't want to go back home from your workplace. That's what I'm doing. And I love it. इसीलिए अगर कोई मुझे बोलता है तुम्हारा कोई style नहीं है, you should do that, you should do this, you should have a style. I don't give a damn.
Yeah,
मुझे मजा आ रहा है जो मैं कर रही हूँ. I love it, Aryan, and I just love it what I'm
Touch
doing.
wood.
Yes,
Yeah,
touch wood.
No, but do you also feel that like people, because once you become a legitimate identity, entity in the vicinity, do you think that you often do get used as well?
No.
No, ऐसा
No.
कभी फीलिंग नहीं आई कि अच्छा he or she is using me for my skill? Because एक ये पता है, an art teacher only told me कि there's a difference between an art educator and an art teacher. An art educator will tell the students all his skills, his the techniques and this and that. An art teacher never reveals his techniques or the skill or this.
Please come to my studio.
Why? Because they don't want the kid picking that skill up and making a name for themselves. So a lot of people have that
blabber
insecurity.
so much. मैं इतना बोलती हूँ, and I cannot restrict myself. I cannot hide anything from anybody. जो मेरे स्टूडियो में आ रहे हैं उनको सब पता है कि मैं क्या. I paint अपना खुद का commissions उनके सामने पेंट कर रही हूँ. Sometimes they just sit and they look at me and they see how I'm doing, how I'm using brushes, how I'm using my own that apron का कोना से I'm doing that blending. They see. Sometimes I just randomly pick up any kapda and I just do dish, and they're just watching me. So there's nothing that I want to hide, because somewhere in my mind I know कि अगर ये मुझे पता है कि मैंने कर लिया है, ये हर एक के दिमाग में नहीं आ सकता कि अच्छा ये करेंगे तो हमारा भी ऐसा बन जाएगा. देयर इज कुछ तो थोड़ा बहुत स्किल एंड एक्सपीरियंस तो होता ही है ना, दैट आपको कौन सी लेयर पे क्या करना है तो वो निखर के आएगा. सो या देयर इज नथिंग दैट आई हाइड फ्रॉम एनीबडी. आई पेंट इन फ्रंट ऑफ एवरीबडी.
Competition in artists as well, between artists as well. From what I've heard as well, so many artists have told me नहीं कि मैं उसको अपना काम क्यों दिखाऊं, like that type of mentality.
I face that.
Yeah, you have?
Yes, I have one very famous artist in Jammu. उनको पता होगा अगर अभी वो देख रहे होंगे what he told me. So back जब मैंने ये जर्नी स्टार्ट भी नहीं की थी, मैं अपने कॉलेज से निकली थी, मुझे थोड़ा सा पेंटिंग करना था. आई वांटेड टू जस्ट ब्रश माय स्किल्स, क्योंकि मेरे पास कोई स्किल्स नहीं थे, लेकिन फिर भी मुझे वो जानना था कि कैनवस क्या होता है. मुझे ये भी नहीं पता था कि ये कपड़ा होता है कि पेपर होता है. मैं इतनी अमेच्योर थी, मुझे ये भी नहीं पता था कि कौन सा कपड़ा होता है, लिनन होता है कि कि कॉटन होता है कि क्या होता है, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था. आई वॉन्टेड टू हैव दैट दैट
Insight,
इंफॉर्मेशन एंड इंसाइट. एंड एट दैट टाइम इंटरनेट भी कोई बहुत बड़ी चीज़ नहीं थी, एंड यूट्यूब भी बहुत कम लोगों के पास एक्सेस होता था. मेरे लाइक आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माई ग्रेजुएशन. ओके, सो मैं एक ये सो कॉल्ड बहुत अमेजिंग
Not naming
ऐसे
anyone,
या
yeah.
ही नोज, पूरे जम्मू को पता होगा ये कौन है, ठीक है. सो मैं उनके पास गई, उनका स्टूडियो में गई. आई वेंट टू हिम, आई सेड, एंड आई एड्रेस्ड हिम लाइक सर. आई सेड, सर, आई लव पेंटिंग, बट मुझे कुछ आइडिया नहीं है कि कलर्स कैसे होते हैं, मिक्सिंग मुझे पता था. आई कैन मेक एनी कलर इन दिस वर्ल्ड. यू टेल मी, यू मेक
Yeah?
दैट, आई कैन मेक दैट इन 5 seconds.
After seeing that color.
या मतलब आप कुछ बोल दो, साक्षी, मेक दैट कलर, आई कैन मेक दैट इन 5 seconds.
Oh,
ओके,
wow.
मुझे बस कलर्स ला दो. आई नीड लाइक 3-4 colors and I can make that.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so now उन्होंने मुझे बोला, मैंने कहा, सर, I'm very good with this, so please can you help me with a little structure, या थोड़ा सा आप मुझे बता दो कि इसे. I still remember his line. He said, अरे बेटा, अगर आप सब कुछ मैं बताने शुरू हो गया तो हमारा क्या होगा. This one line, and I was with my mother. और मैंने मम्मी को बोला कि मम्मा, अगर मैं लाइफ में कुछ किया ना तो मैं यही लाइन किसी को नहीं बोलूँगी कि अगर मैं सब कुछ बताने शुरू हो गई तो हमारा क्या होगा. द अमाउंट ऑफ, आई टेल यू, जितना मैंने लोगों को करा के सीखा है आर्यमन, उतना मैं खुद के कैनवसेस पे नहीं सीख पाई हूँ. जितना मैंने अपने सेशंस से सीखा है, आई हैव लिटरली एक्सपेरिमेंटेड ऑन देयर कैनवसेस एंड दे डिड नॉट माइंड. दीज पीपल जो मेरे स्टूडेंट्स थे या जो लड़कियाँ आती थी, दे सेड, इट्स योर्स, डू इट साक्षी, लेट्स डू दिस, और मैंने वहाँ पे लिटरली एक्सपेरिमेंट किया ऑन देयर कैनवसेस, टेकिंग दैट लिबर्टी फ्रॉम देम. एंड जितना मैंने उसमें सीखा है, आई हैवंट लर्नड इट विथ माई ओन कैनवसेस. वो प्रैक्टिस कर करके इतना मैंने खुद के लिए टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स बना दिए दैट आई हैव अ बोर्ड जहाँ मैंने की पे लिखा हुआ है, अच्छा ऐसे करेगी तो याद है ना तुझे, ऐसे करेगी तो ऐसा हो जाएगा. सो आई हैव दैट. सो या.
But do you think education also plays a very important role?
Yes, absolutely. Now I think कि ये सब अगर मैंने तब सीखा होता किसी आर्ट स्कूल में, maybe what I'm doing right now, I would have done that 10 years back, maybe or maybe not. Definitely there would have been some difference. अभी तक जिन चीज़ों के बारे में जानने की मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ, मे बी ये सब मुझे पहले का आ चुका होता, but that's what God's plan was, and it's okay. Maybe मैं अगर वहाँ से निकलती तो यहाँ तक नहीं पहुँचती, या maybe vice versa. So I'm happy.
But would you get now? See, that's the beauty of it. So there's a difference between experience and skill. I mean, experience is you make your handwork the way you want to, and this is also a form of teaching as well. Do you think in future you can ever become a nice, good teacher? Like you would want to get into art education specifically?
Art education या art instructor या art teacher?
वही
आर्ट टीचर मैं कभी नहीं बन सकती क्योंकि मुझे एबीसी नहीं आता.
अच्छा,
मुझे नहीं पता.
वो तो फिर थ्योरेटिकल है.
हाँ, वो थ्योरी मुझे कुछ नहीं आती है.
हाँ, राजा रवि वर्मा, ये
हाँ, नाम मुझे सब पता है, बट मुझे नहीं पता उनकी थ्योरी क्या है. बट इफ यू टॉक अबाउट एन आर्ट इंस्ट्रक्टर या एक आर्ट एडुकेटर, ऑफ course I can do that. I connect with people. I love meeting new people. उनका vision क्यों मेरे, why do I take, like just like I'm talking to you, I talk to my clients just like that. I connect with them, I talk to them, I build that trust कि okay, if you are giving this to me, I'll make sure that I do justice to your vision, and that's how, and that is one reason that I do not attach myself to the paintings that I do. I wanted to ask. I do not attach myself to the paintings that I do. मैं उसको इतनी मेहनत से बनाती हूँ, but then there is this thing in the back of my mind that this is their vision and I'm just using my hands and my skills.
Yeah.
I'm just doing the execution for them, and I do it with so much of truthfulness that I wait for the time कि वो कब बनेगा और मैं कब उनको दूंगी. And once I'm happy with the artwork, I just want to give it to them. I don't want to keep it to myself. Attachment होती है.
There was an incident also related to this, no?
Yes. So I have this client जिन्होंने मुझसे हरमिंदर साहब बनवाया. And while she was talking to me and she was explaining me कि साक्षी मुझे ऐसे चाहिए, मुझे वो gold में चाहिए, I want the gold to show. She almost broke into tears while she was talking to me. She's not from India, she's from Dubai, and वो she literally broke into tears and she said, Sakshi, let me tell you, ये मेरे living में नहीं जाएगा. This is going to go to a very sacred space in my house that I've created, जहाँ मैं सिर्फ ध्यान करूँगी बाबा जी का. You know, this is what she told me. Okay. I told her one thing. I just offered her this thing, and she was like instant yes. You know what? And trust me, I've done that. जो अमृतसर में जो गुरुद्वारे का जो वहाँ पर सरोवर है, I collected that water and the entire painting is done using that water. और जब उसमें कलर मिक्स हो जाता था मैं उसको फेंक तो नहीं सकती थी. वो सरोवर का पानी I used to put it in the my तुलसी, you know, I used to तुलसी भी खराब नहीं होती थी. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि मैं पूरा कलर से भरा होता था. I had a lot of, तो उसको भी मैंने अपने गार्डन में या कभी बड़ा ट्रांसपेरेंट होता था तो तुलसी में डाल दिया, तो उसमें डाल दिया, because that's how. And I told her, do you trust me with this, that I'm not going. मैंने वो नंगे पाँव सिर ढक के वो पूरी पेंटिंग बनाई है, and I did it with that सरोवर water. And I am also going to send her that छोटा सा bottle में, obviously because she's unfortunately she's unable to come here due to certain reasons, and then I'm going to send that. I hope I'll be able to send that.
I'll take it to Dubai.
Yes, please do it for me. I was just about to come on that. Please do it for me because वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे issue हो रहा है taking the liquid, that amount of liquid to Dubai. I want to send it to her because that's what I use in the entire painting, and that will be in her sacred space, and I'm very happy about it क्योंकि उसमें मेरी तरफ से the amount of positive vibrations that I've put into that painting, I tell you, कि मुझे पता है कि वो कुछ अच्छा ही करेगी उनके घर के लिए, कुछ बुरा नहीं कर सकती, बिकॉज मैंने उसको इतने प्यार से, इतनी शिद्दत से.
You know, one thing I learned from this is me as an art gallerist, we only see the superficial figure behind selling an artwork. That yes, I mean there's a deep story. Every artwork resonates with me, of course, because I'm selling it. But I didn't realize that people who are buying that artwork have such an emotional connect with this as well. कि मतलब ये कौन सोच भी सकता है कि सरोवर का पानी और से वो आर्टवर्क बनाया हुआ है, and that means the world to them. No amount of money, no amount of time, no amount of anything can justify this.
तो मैं पहले उनको वीडियोस भेजती थी कि ये देखो मैं डाल रही हूँ, and then Sakshi, shut up, I trust you with this, I trust you. But मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मैं कैसे बताऊँ कि मैं कितनी मेहनत कर रही हूँ इस चीज़ में. So initially I started sending videos and I said, please, enough, I don't want these videos, I just want that artwork now, because I see through your eyes that आप कैसे बना रहे हो उसको कैसे. So yeah, that's what the story है. And I'm very, अभी भी मैंने वो भेजना, अभी मैंने भेजा नहीं है, it's still there with me because of the entire war thing.
Is it the same kind we were talking about? Is it the same kind we were talking about?
No, that's not her. Yeah, but she also has a beautiful story, by the way. Yeah, उनका भी है एक story. So my सारे clients का कुछ ना कुछ story है. So
you end up connecting with the clients later on as well?
No, not much.
You detach yourself from your clients as well?
ऐसा detachment नहीं है, but hello, hi is okay, because see, ऐसा नहीं है कि client, I have quite a list of clients.
You worked with celebrities as well,
yes,
I believe.
Yes, I am
doing. Can you name someone?
Okay, I'm doing this recent artwork for Aditya Narayan's house. I'm doing this, and then there is this producer.
Aditya Narayan, the singer, Udit Narayan's son.
Yeah, I'm doing it for their house, and वो भी again, I'm given a free hand कि क्या करना है again, you know, and then I have also doing a artwork for one of the producers, very well-known producers. I'm not sure if I can name him right now.
Yeah, you can name him.
उतना मैंने उनसे वो लिया नहीं है. Well, let's see, because apparently there's no NDA right now.
So anyway, but still, I mean, why am I emphasizing on this is because then, I mean, that is your biggest form of validation as well.
Yes.
So, I mean, of course, your artwork is going into the right households, and this is what every artist wants. Sakshi, tell me something. Have you ever ridden the high horse? Like, has this ever gotten into your head? Ki shit, maybe I'm doing so well in my life. I should be on top of this top of the moon.
No, I'm not doing well in my life.
अब क्या बाकी है?
I want a lot more. See, with every artwork, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यार मैं नेक्स्ट वाले में ना ये करूँगी, इससे भी अच्छा करूँगी. So that scope is always there, and I am doing well. I know that I am doing well, but वो scope की जगह मैं कभी नहीं छोड़ सकती हूँ.
So should an artist be content? So you're saying no? an artist should never be content. No?
कंटेंट नहीं होना चाहिए. आई एम जस्ट कंटेंटेड कि जिस पेस से मैंने किया, आई लाइक द पेस, बट आई एम नेवर कंटेंटेड. आई वांट मोर. मुझे और कुछ दो, मुझे और थ्योरी दो, और स्ट्रक्चर दो, और मुझे विजन दो, और वो दो. मैं उसको अपने तरीके से पेंट करूँगी, बट आई नीड मोर, आई नीड लॉट मोर. अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई जस्ट हैव 2 hands, बट अगर मेरा बस चले तो मैं सुबह से लेकर दोपहर शाम रात तक सिर्फ पेंट करती रहूँ. फॉर्चुनेटली आई हैव नेवर हैड दैट क्रिएटिव ब्लॉक, और उसी से मैं डरती हूँ क्योंकि मैंने बड़ा इंस्टाग्राम पे पढ़ा अबाउट क्रिएटिव ब्लॉक. वो क्या होता है क्रिएटिव ब्लॉक यार?
किसी को नहीं पता.
कुछ नहीं होता है क्रिएटिव ब्लॉक. अगर इफ यू आर इन इट, डू इट. इफ यू कांट डू इट, गेट लॉस्ट. There is no creative block as such. At least I haven't faced it yet.
No, I think it's very subjective. No, I mean, at the end of this terminology is something which I also don't agree with. कि कोई ऐसा creative block है, ऐसे थोड़ा होता है. But ये होता है कि हाँ, every artist has his or her moods.
Yeah.
And because you need to be in that. अगर मैं हंस रहा हूँ या मैं उछल रहा हूँ, so I can't sit and make a devotional painting. That is my perspective.
Yeah.
So I can't sit and make serious artworks.
Yeah.
So I mean, every artist should have their zones. And I
Yeah.
think it's the most beautiful thing in the world. Yeah, I mean, yeah. But yeah, that is the crux of my entire conversation. I can keep on talking to you for hours and hours and hours.
Yeah, same
But I'm just gonna sum it up by asking a few questions. Number 1, do you have any regrets in your life, Sakshi?
Regrets regarding my career?
Yeah, of course. I mean, of course, your career.
Of course,
Yeah.
regarding my actually, initially, yes, I had that. I wish I could have gone to an art school or something like that, but now I don't.
Do you have a dream art school?
Now
No.
I barely know the names.
Parsons, but that is design.
Yeah.
Parsons is design basically, but yeah, there are a lot of schools.
I barely know the names. I'm okay. So there isn't any regret. There is no regret.
Okay,
Yeah.
fair enough. One more thing. If Sakshi was not an Instagram sensation, what would she do? Or what would she be?
I would be just taking sessions in studio because वो मेरा अच्छा, it was nice, and maybe I would have been there, maybe I would have connected with galleries at that time because
Why do you
social
hate
media-
Wait, I want to know this. Why do you hate galleries?
I don't hate galleries.
But why do you not-
I just think that it's a very slow process, and it's very.
What is slow?
I think it's very slow. You know why? Because I think कि वो गैलरी में जाके आपका पेंटिंग स्टॉक बन जाता है. आई रियली थिंक सो. आपकी पेंटिंग स्टॉक बन जाती है. आपकी पेंटिंग नहीं रहती है. आपके पास वो पेंटिंग स्टॉक नहीं होती है, बट गैलरीज में जाके वो एक
नहीं, अपने पास क्यों पेंटिंग स्टॉक नहीं होती?
मेरे स्ट्रक्चर
अच्छा,
में
okay.
पेंटिंग स्टॉक नहीं है. मेरी आती है, बनती है, जाती है. दिस इज द
But
प्रोसेस.
you stock up works
I
or
have just very recently started
okay.
doing because मेरा एक चल रहा है side by side, and उसके साथ साथ I've started painting for myself कि मुझे क्या चाहिए, मुझे कैसा पेंटिंग चाहिए, कि मेरे दिमाग में वो पिक्चर बन गया. Now I've started doing that. So उसको मैं स्टॉक नहीं बोलूँगी because वो मैं बड़े स्लोली पेस पे मैं कर रही हूँ. Maybe when I'll push it into the market, I'll push it at a different level altogether. वो कैसे, that I don't know. But
to
I
art
will.
galleries?
Yes, I'm coming back to Anya.
No, yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Because see, art galleries have a very different model altogether, which
Yes,
I'll tell
I
you
know.
post the podcast. So yeah, but coming back to my questions. So what was my question? What did I ask you? I forgot. Anyway,
My regret.
yeah, your regret.
Yeah.
So your regret is
No, there's no regret.
that not having going to an art school. Okay, if you, my question was कि life with Instagram versus without Instagram. Okay, now talking about your personal life. Does Instagram affect your personal life, or do those hideous comments and those views or your like count ever get to you personally?
No, initially yes, because और bad comments जैसा कुछ होता नहीं है, और मुझे कोई इतना आज तक harsh comments कभी मिले नहीं है, to be very frank, except for a few जिसमें maybe अगर Golden Temple की painting है, आपका head covered नहीं है, आपका ये नहीं है, this is that, इतना I don't bother बिल्कुल भी. So that's okay. And अपेरेंटली मुझे कोई इतना हार्श कोई कमेंट कभी मिला ही नहीं है. एंड समटाइम्स व्हेन द रील गोज सो वायरल यू आर प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल ही नहीं है कि आप
Okay, you
इतना सारा कमेंट्स पढ़ो. सो आई रीड द हैप्पी कमेंट्स, आई रीड, एंड मे बी अगर बहुत कोई ऐसे सेलिब्रिटी या कोई कमेंट कर दे जो कि बहुत बारी हुआ है, समटाइम्स आई पिन इट और समटाइम्स जस्ट टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट एंड आई शो इट. नो, सो नो, ऐसा देयर इज नथिंग लाइक कि Instagram, whatever your question was. Yeah.
Can you tell me the top 3 things about content of content creation? How to create the best and the most viral kind of content?
There is no चाबी to ये सब बकवास
Myth है ना?
This is a myth कि आप ट्रेंडिंग ऑडियो पे लगाओगे तो आपकी रील कहाँ की कहाँ चली जाएगी. इट्स myth यार, कम ऑन. इफ़ यू हैव, ऐसा भी नहीं है कि अच्छी पेंटिंग्स भी अगर डालते लोगों की नहीं वायरल नहीं होती है, नहीं चलती है, अंडरस्टैंडेबल. बट वो एल्गोरिदम तो है, एल्गोरिदम इज़ देयर. बट देन आई थिंक कि डूज एंड डोंट्स इंस्टाग्राम में मुझे नहीं लगता ऐसा कुछ है. बिकॉज फ्यू ऑफ माई रियली गुड वर्क विच आई थिंक इज, क्या मैंने इतना सोच के वो रील बनाया और वो कब पुश भी नहीं हुआ, वो कब देख के लोगों ने अनदेखा कर दिया, वो पता भी नहीं चला. और कुछ जो इतना रैंडम मैंने ऐसे किया. बिकॉज आई डू नॉट वर्क विद द वायरल रील वाला कॉन्सेप्ट. ओके, जब मेरा मूड अच्छा हो मैं कुछ अच्छा सा कुछ भी डाल देती हूँ. कुछ भी, मे बी एक ब्रश स्ट्रोक कर रही हूँ. अच्छा, मेरे ब्रश स्ट्रोक्स वाला एक रील है विच वेंट इनटू मिलियंस, जिसमें मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ, सिर्फ कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ. आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग दैट केव. उस केव में से आई एम शोइंग हाउ आई एम थ्रोइंग द लाइट. वो इतनी सी जगह से वो लाइट कैसे बना रही हूँ मैं विद दैट फैन ब्रश. और वो उतना सा रील वेंट इनटू मिलियंस. व्हाई? बिकॉज उसमें ने ऊपर एक टाइटल लिख दिया, द सटल आर्ट ऑफ मेकिंग लाइट और पेंटिंग द लाइट, द सटल आर्ट ऑफ something I wrote. Yeah, I don't even remember. Yeah, so something like that. So वो उतना सा. So I think there is एक हुक ज़रूर होना चाहिए. ओके, सो वो हुक सिर्फ 2 या 3 सेकेंड्स का हुक होना चाहिए. उसके बाद आपकी स्टोरी टेलिंग होती है. अगर वो स्टोरी इंटरेस्टिंग है, लोग देखते हैं. नहीं इंटरेस्टिंग है, दे जस्ट स्वाइप यू ऑफ. दैट्स ऑल.
Wow, yeah.
Yeah.
I think, yeah, I mean, that is the crux of our entire conversation. Last question, Sakshi. Last 2 questions, actually. You do not have a 5-year goal plan. But ideally, what is it that you want to do? Like, do you have a structure for yourself that this is what you want to do? Do you want to open more studios? Do you want to, I don't know, like, do you have a game plan?
Yes, it's all in my mind though, but I do want to have a big jump when it comes to commissions. I've had good names in my vanity जहाँ पे मैं I want to work with such names a little more without signing the NDA.
Yeah.
Without signing the NDA. I hate the NDA culture.
So they make you sign the...
Yes, they make me sign the NDA, and one of the biggest names I'll tell you, I can't tell you, but yeah, I'm going to tell you.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I'm going to tell you like this. So they made me sign an NDA for the biggest project of my life that I've ever done. And why? Because you are the entire world know your name, okay? And yet I cannot say that I've worked for this person. Why? Because you made me sign an NDA.
And they're also flaunting your artwork only.
Yeah, they are flaunting my artwork. They flaunt नहीं भी कर रहे होंगे,
कहीं तो
लगाया
लगी हुई है.
backdrop में बनाया, जो मर्जी किया. But yeah, this is it. So yes, I do want these such names, if not that big name, but I do want such names in my kitty in coming 5 years, and I want to do that. चाहे मेरा स्टाइल तब तक बना हो, नहीं बना हो, जो मैं कर रही हूँ इसी में अगर चलता रहे.
Inshallah.
Yes, इसी में मैं करती रही, I'll be most happy. So वो जो पेस है, जिसे मैंने आपको बताया कि 10,000 के आर्टवर्क से धीरे धीरे it went to lakhs. So I just want to increase that number, and that's how. उसके लिए चाहे मुझे quantity और भी कम करना पड़े. Maybe I just take 3
works a month,
three works a month. What are you saying? Okay. I'll just take 1 work for 3 months. I am okay with that. But the quality that I want to give to that person
should be out of this world.
Should be like
Beautiful,
absolute. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
To sum it up, our
Yeah.
final question, Sakshi, what has been your most heartful moment in your entire life? It can be personal, emotional, it can be with your husband, your father-in-law, your daughter, anything. Your most heartful moment.
Actually, there are many heartful moments. It's just that one jump of an artwork that I took, and I just came home, and I was literally jumping क्योंकि मैंने इतने छोटे अमाउंट से इतना बड़ा जंप कर दिया था. वो बहुत बड़ा जंप था. It was in lakhs, you know. और वो मेरे लिए as literally nobody, it was a huge jump for me. I just came back home and I was calling Mama, आपको पता है मैंने ये, पापा आपको पता है मैंने, my papa was very good, and even about that NDA wala thing when I cracked, and that I called my father and I said, और मेरे पापा उस time पे थे, he was with 10 people and he was flaunting, अरे very good. He was so I was so happy at that time. And then, you know, even my husband, he was flaunting me like anything ki, oh, she's done this, she's done that and all. So I think that's been the support that I got from my family, my husband, everybody. It
God
was tremendous. It was so tremendous. And I feel ki family support is everything. It should be
It takes you
yes.
to a place where no one knows about. I mean, it takes you places.
Yes.
It takes you places.
It takes you places. When you know you have somebody's back, I mean, you can just go there and you can do anything.
Yeah.
You can do anything when you know you have somebody's back, and that somebody is your own father and your own husband. You can do anything.
God bless them.
Yes.
God bless the Khulgar family. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, I can talk and talk. Yeah, I mean, I'll keep
Yes,
on
same
talking.
here.
But Sakshi, this has been a very fun conversation. I'm not even going to call this a podcast because we both have just been yapping.
I know.
It has been very candid,
Yeah.
and I truly hope my purpose of this entire podcast was to get some information about your life and your journey, and I hope that people learn, because it's not easy.
Yeah.
As I'm repeating, you're a mother, you're a housemaker, you're a wife, you have a personal life, and despite of all those challenges that you've been facing, you're still pursuing your art form, which is art. I mean, which is fine art. So I hope a lot of people take inspiration, because this is easier said than done. She's very happy about it, but it is the most difficult thing to do.
No, it is
honestly.
very difficult. Yes.
It's very difficult. So take inspiration. See the good in people. See what she's been doing. She's very approachable. Go talk to Sakshi. Hit Sakshi up. Take her Instagram and get educated and pursue your passion, guys. That's all I have to say. Do you have anything to say? I mean, I have to keep on yapping. Do you have anything else to say?
Yes, I do have. There's something to say that when I just entered this space, your space, I could just have that vibe जैसा मेरे को अपने स्टूडियो में चाहिए था ना. So of course I've been to a lot of art galleries. सब बड़ी जगह गई हूँ मैं. This is also, I mean, I would say जब मैं आ रही थी, I was just thinking as like it does an art gallery, and then I met your father.
Yeah.
Yes, he was sitting there. He was sitting with that poise and everything. He was that, he said,
Yeah.
I am the damn owner of this place. He had that. And from that reception area, वो जो walk है, I felt so good about this space.
I'm
The
so grateful.
artwork, everything, the whole space was so colorful, and the name, Affordable Art. It made me look at the prices first. Let me tell you. So my first eye was at the prices, and I was like, okay. From the first one, which was, oh my God, the first
Anand
painting.
Dagli, yeah.
It's amazing. It's oh my God, I do not have words for that painting. I could see how many layers are there in that painting. Itne layers mein wo kaam
It's called the
kiya hua hai.
bird eye view, by the way. You squint your eyes and you see
the bird eye view. So yes, it had all that positive vibe, a very nice artsy vibe it had, and I was very happy the moment I entered here. I was very happy. Since I said it was my first podcast, I was a little nervous. I was like कि क्या बोलेंगे, क्या पूछेंगे, मुझे क्या portray करना है. That was there in my mind. But when I entered, I started talking to your father first, and then later with you, I was a little relaxed. I was like, okay, this is the space.
I mean, I had a ball. I think we should do this again behind the camera. But yeah, I think it was a lot of fun. And yeah, we thank you so much for your kind words. I'm humbled.
Yeah.
We do have a purpose. Anya does have a purpose.
Yes.
And I have my own goals when it comes to the institution. And I truly hope that everyone in this world, including you, reaches that stage of contentment.
Yeah.
And I truly hope, I mean, you're going to do well. You're doing well.
Yeah.
Fuck Instagram. Without Instagram, also, I genuinely hope you end up doing
Yeah.
wonders in life.
Yeah.
And yeah, all the best. Yeah,
Thank
I mean,
you.
thank you for being part of this podcast.
Thank you.
It was a fun sesh, and we're going to meet you pretty damn soon.
Yeah, see. That's nice.
So that is Sakshi Khullar, guys, signing off. I'm out of words because I think I'm very excited. So it was a really fun podcast. What are you gonna find in this podcast? You're gonna find a lot of emotion. You're gonna find a lot of information. You're gonna find a lot of yapping by me and Sakshi, both of us. But at the end of the day, you're gonna find a lot of insightful stuff. So do watch the podcast. Get yourself educated. Follow us on Instagram, YouTube, all these places. See you guys next Sunday, and cheers. God bless.